With our systems, we have two special cases. One where the equations are actually the exact same line, and one where the two lines are going to be parallel to each other. So if the lines end up being the same, when you graph them, you would only see one line. Now when we would use algebra, like our substitution or our elimination, all of the variables are going to eliminate and we're going to end up with a true statement. So like 3 equals 3 or 0 equals 0, something that is a true statement. When that happens, you're going to have infinitely many solutions. Now when you have parallel lines, when you graph them, the two lines will never intersect and they will end up having the exact same slope. When we use our algebra, so our substitution or elimination for these types of questions, the variables are also going to eliminate, but we're going to end up with a false statement. So like 3 equals 7 or 0 equals 9, something that is not true. When that happens, we are going to have a no solution to that system. So let's look at our two examples. So in A, I have y equals 2x subtract 5, and the second equation is 4x subtract 2y equal to negative 1. Since one of the variables is already solved for, I'm going to use the substitution method to complete this problem. So I'm going to take my first equation and I'm going to substitute it into y for my second equation. So I'm going to have 4x minus 2. Instead of y, I'm going to plug in the 2x subtract 5 that I was told y was equal to. And I'm going to finish the equation with the equals negative 1. So to proceed, I'm going to leave the 4x for right now, and I'm going to distribute the negative 2 to the 2x to get a negative 4x. And I'm going to distribute the negative 2 to the negative 5 to get a positive 10, equal to negative 1. So now I'm going to combine my x's. So 4x minus 4x will give me 0, so these would eliminate, leaving me with 10 equal to negative 1. Well, 10 does not equal negative 1, so this would give a false statement. Since it is false, that would mean these two lines are parallel to each other, so I'm not going to have a solution to this problem. In letter B, I have x plus y equals 0, and 5x plus 5y equals 0. So I could solve this using substitution or elimination. Since the equation already lined up in columns, I'm going to use elimination. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by a negative 5 so I can eliminate my x's. So I'm going to have a negative 5x minus a 5y equal to 0. So that's my new top equation, and I'm just going to rewrite the bottom equation of 5x plus 5y equal to 0. Now I can add up and down in columns. So negative 5x plus 5x would give me 0. Negative 5y plus 5y also gives me 0. And 0 plus 0 is 0. Well, 0 does equal 0, so this would be a true statement. So that would mean that these are the exact same line, and I'm going to have infinitely many solutions to my problem.